Hello guys, welcome to my gaming channel. My name is Scarlett. So guys, this game is called Fling Things and People. You can make private servers so other people cannot fling you. Ooh, this is new. This block is new. I never seen that block before. Okay guys, basically, wait, I'm gonna grab a mannequin. Wait. Okay. This is the mannequin. And this button put down. And this button throw. The white one is throw. The blue one is put down. So you can grab items and build something. Yeah. The other items can let you fly. Look. Whee, like this roller. Guys, I'm stuck. Oh. Guys, this video is gonna be a little bit early to end because yeah, what happened? Oh. Oh no, guys, I fell out of the void. So guys, you can make money here. So guys, if this video is 3, I'm gonna end this. Yeah. You can grab a block, practice, or fly with it, and throw. Whee! And you can fly with boxes. And yeah, I don't know. Oh, this is bye guys. This is the end of the video because it's so early. Bye.